Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make use of Facebook process and the rest. Okay, there is a process and the rest. Okay, there is a process after running an ad. Okay, after running an ad you have lots of after running an ad you have lots of after running an ad you have lots of engagement on that on ad. You want to show that you want to show people you want to show that you want to show people you want to show that ad using that particular Facebook creative. Okay, now we've run an ad and this particular ad has tons of engagement. Okay, tons of likes, shares, and as well comments. So now I want to make use of this particular ad so that I can actually use it to run my other campaigns. Okay, I don't want to start afresh. I want to showcase this social proof in order to actually get more better results. Now what do I do? How do I go about this in order to not lose this engagement, this social proof? So first thing you need to do, once you've gotten enough social proof and you want to make use of it in terms of running other ads. Okay, first thing, go to the ad level. Once you reach the ad level, you go to ad setup. Okay, this is it. I'm here now. You go to here and then you click on create ad and then you select use existing post. Okay, what this helps you to do is it enables you to continue making use of this particular creative in terms of running your other campaign. So even if you tend to create new ads, tend to create new campaign, you continue to make use of this engagement issue proof in order to run your other campaigns. So what do I have to do here? I'll come and add setup and then use existing post. You select use existing post. Now I can now continue to make use of this ad to run my other campaign. Okay, now you simply have to copy this. This is your Facebook ID. Okay, this is the post ID you'll be using to run this campaign. So now I will not be able to lose this social proof. I will not be able to lose it. I can be able to use them to run my ad, to run any campaign I'm running. So now once I've done this, once you've done this and then you've copied your post ID, you don't simply, what you need to do is just start running your ad using that post ID. Okay, so basically there are two things you can actually do with this. First is to copy that particular post. Okay, you can easily copy it. Once you've copied it, you start pasting it at the ad level of your campaign. Okay, you copy it. Once you copy it, you paste it at the ad level of your campaign. Then another process you can actually make use of, once you copy this, you paste it there. Another process is actually to use the post ID. You don't need to start stressing yourself to create another creative or another ad. What you just need to do is to take that post ID you've created and then you've copied and then paste it. Okay, you start making use of it with ease. So now that you've copied that post ID, what you have to do here is to you either copy the ads, okay, and then you paste it in the asset level, okay, and then it will start working. Or you can actually create a new campaign. After creating a new campaign, then you come here to create. You go to the ad level and then you click on create. So once you are here, you have to create a new ad asset. So either you create a new asset or you can use this existing asset. So remember, what you're trying to do here is to use our post ID to run our other ad. Okay, so you can simply do this and then you click on continue. But now once you do that, a new ad will be created for you. But let's say you want to change it. Now what you have to do is to go to a already existing ad, okay, then you click on edit. So once you are here now, so this is it. Now we have to go back to ad setup. Remember, we've copied our post ID. We want to make use of that existing social proof in order to create our other ad campaigns. So now we'll click on create ad. It's loading. Then we click on use existing posts. Okay, we click on use existing posts. Now that we've done that, as you can see here, it's requesting us to select a post. So let's say we have a post we've done that we want to make use of. You can simply, click here to find them, and then you select one out of them. Okay, you have one, you've had a social proof on it. You can simply select here, and then to actually bring out lots of creative reviews, and then you can actually select one. Then the second one is in terms of the post ID. Remember the post ID we've copied, the one we've created. Okay, then you paste it there. So now this is our Facebook page. It will bring out some of your content, some of the images, videos, and then you pick one. As you can see here, these are some of it. These are some of it. Okay, the one that has likes. So dependent on what you are running and the campaign you are running for, so you can actually pick one depending on the likes, the comment, the shares they have, and then you pick one from there. Okay, so that is in terms of selecting a post. Okay, so whereas in terms of post ID, this is where you have to paste the post ID you've copied. Okay, once you've copied that post ID, you paste it here. Once you pasted it, you click on, you select it. It's loading. So as you can see here, the post ID have appeared, and you can see the posts have appeared and without making any changes. And once we scroll below, you will see the engagement and the likes and the shares and everything is still there. Okay, so there is no issues with them. How important it is to customers prove, and you know how important it is to customers prove, and you know how important it is to customers prove, and you know how important it is to customers. Once they know important it is to customers, once they know important it is to customers, once they notice that people customers, once they notice that people customers, once they notice that people are engaging with this product, people are engaging with this service, people are liking it, people are sharing it, and people are really commenting. It gives them the on the social proof. You can from there improve on the social proof. You can from there improve on the social proof. You can from there improve on the social proof, and you can from there improve on the campaign, and you can from there improve on the campaign, and you can from there improve on the campaign, and improve on the campaign, and improve on your results page, and improve on your results page, and improve on your results. So once again, on your results. So once again, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching this video. And my name is Obioma Monaji. If you have any question, if you have any problem you're having, kindly comment in the comment section. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Alright, thanks once again, you guys, and see you next time.